Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang inyong romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa inyong Capricorn. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga messages and energies for Capricorn, please, on love and romance. Energies and messages for Capricorn on love and romance. Illusions. Be aware of love's illusions. See reality clearly. Okay. See reality clearly. So, for some of you, may mga red flags, okay? Pero hindi nyo lang napapansin. Okay? Pay attention sa dynamics ng inyong relasyon. Dreams. Look to your dreams. They hold all the answers you seek. Okay? Minsan, yung mga panaginip natin, okay, may mga binibigay na messages yan. So, be aware of that. Maaring yung mga sagot sa inyong mga tanong nasa panaginip. They're giving you signals and answers or signs already. Okay? True love, a deep and enduring connection going beyond superficial attraction. Okay, merong true love. Okay. Beyond superficial attraction. Mas malalim na pagmamahal aside doon sa physical attraction. Okay? Nade-develop. Yung iba ay nade-develop. Okay? At lalong lumalalim ang affection sa isang person. Closure. Not all connections are meant to be. Accept closure. Okay? For some of you, merong pagtatapos na mangyayari or nangyayari, okay? Sometimes, some connections are not meant to be, okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Capricorn, please. Oops. Capricorn, love and romance. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Capricorn, please, on love and romance? Gusto makipagkita sa inyo ng person ninyo, okay? Pwedeng magkalayo kayong dalawa. Gusto ka ng person na to, pero most of the time, parang conflicted siya. Kung magte-take ba siya ng action sa inyo or hindi. Pero gusto ka ng person na to, they are very attracted to you. Okay? Capricorn. Yeah, you're also confused. Naiisip mo din siya. Ano ba talaga? Gusto ba talaga ako ng tao na to or hindi? Okay. You feel that way, Capricorn? You are also conflicted. Gagawa ba ng paraan yung person sa akin or hindi? So, yun yung question ninyo, Capricorn. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So, you Capricorn, parang anxious ka din malaman, no? Or curious ka rin at the same time. Kasi parang hindi ganun ka-expressive yung tao sa inyo. Gusto mo na express niya kung gusto ka ba niya or hindi. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you're thinking baka last lang. Okay? Baka strong physical attraction lang. Okay? So, let go. Let go kung masyado kang nag-iisip. Okay, let loose. Let go of that emotional baggage na naisip nyo about this person. Okay. Yeah, mag-express din talaga siya sa inyo, Capricorn. Yeah. Gusto ka ng tao na to. Mahal ka ng tao pero hindi lang siya ganun ka-expressive. Okay? But yes, gagawa din siya ng paraan. Okay? Knight of Cups. Lalapit din siya sa inyo, express na din sa inyo na mahal ka niya, na gusto ka niya. So this person is really very attracted. Just be patient, Capricorn. Okay. Yeah. So, kung masyado ka na na-stress because of this person, sa kakaisip kung gusto ka ba niya or hindi, magpropose ba to or whatever for some of you, or mag-express na mahal ka niya, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Kung saang stage kayo. But then again, there will be an expression of love, confession ng nararamdaman ng person inyo. So, wag kayo mag-isip masyado, wag nyo i-stress yung sarili nyo sa kakaisip. Kung gagawa ba siya ng paraan or gusto ka ba niya, magpropose ba siya sa'yo, something like that. Okay? So, just take what resonates for you, Capricorn. Yeah, Two of Swords. Yeah. So, yung tao na to, yung person na to is unable to decide. Okay? Parang conflicted din siya. And then, parang no action. Yeah. Okay? May gusto siyang sabihin sa inyo, pero nag-iisip pa siya ng right timing kung when. Pero no doubt, mahal ka ng tao na to. It's just that yung concern lang is hindi siya ganun ka-expressive or hindi niya nasasabi verbally yung totoong nararamdaman sa inyo. Okay? Nag-aantay lang ng right timing yung person na to. Nagka-gather lang siya ng strength, ng confidence. Okay? Very attracted yung person na to sa inyo, Capricorn. Yeah. Yeah. Safe ka sa tao na to. Okay. Mahal ka ng person mo, pero parang it takes time for him or her na para i-approach ka. Pero determinado siya sa'yo. Nagka-gather lang siya ng confidence na para sabihin or mag-propose. For some of you, merong proposal na mangyayari. Okay? And nag-aantay lang siya ng right timing. At nag-iipon ng courage para puntahan ka. Meron siyang plans for you, Capricorn. So you just, kailan mo lang maging patient din. lagi siyang nasa isip mo eh. Okay? Yeah. 7 of Wands. Yeah. Yeah. Very protective din siya sa kanyang nararamdaman. And protective din siya para sa'yo. Okay? Parang nagka-gather lang din talaga ng confidence yung person ninyo. Kasi takot din siya na ma-reject mo siya. But you know, very attracted siya sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Kaya kanyang ipaglaban. Kung sino man to, Capricorn. Okay. Ipaglalaban niya yung nararamdaman niya sa inyo. Medyo bagal lang siya umaksyon. Yeah, 8 of Wands. Yes. Hindi mo alam kung kailan siya mag-express. Or, ito yung iniisip mo eh. Parang nababagalan ka sa kanya. Okay? Or some of you may issues about a father. Sa side niya. Okay? Or sa side mo. Okay? Parang yun yung challenge. Okay? Father figure. For some of you. Yeah, King of Cups. Yeah. Ace of Cups. Mahal yung isa't isa. Okay, may feelings. Malalim, kumbaga. Malalim yung pagmamahalan. Hindi to yung parang puppy love or low vibrational na feelings. Okay? Expression ng nararamdaman, that is the challenge. And for some of you, ang problema is a father figure, a father na nagpa-block ng inyong relationship, okay? Or natatakot yung person nyo sa inyong father. Okay? Yeah. Be compassionate also and kind to that person, okay? To your person, Capricorn. Be patient, okay? The Empress. Okay. So, deep attraction. Merong deep attraction sa isa't isa. Mahal ka ng person mo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Malalim na rin yung attachment. Okay. For some of you, your person, parang ikaw na yung, parang mother figure ka sa kanya. Okay? Parang ikaw na yung nakikita niya na magiging mother ng kanyang mga anak. Okay? Yes. Yeah. You are waiting for this person to propose or to express his deep love para sa inyo. Okay? Pero safe ka sa taong ito, Capricorn. Okay. Okay. So, pakalmahin mo lang yung isip mo. Don't think too much about the situation. Maybe you are stressed already, napapagod ka na sa sitwasyon or kakantay sa kanya. So, kalma lang. Okay? Relax. You are also thinking about competition. You're thinking na yung person nyo is merong ibang nagugustuhan or attracted sa ibang tao. Okay? Or sa ibang person. Okay? But you know your person, mahal ka ng person na to. Yes. Merong proposal na nangyari or mangyayari pa lang. Yeah. Gusto niya ikaw yung maging mother. Okay, ng inyong mga anak. Okay. Nice. Yeah, so nagka-gather lang din ng lakas ng loob yung person ninyo. For some of you, yes, parang conflicted pa yung person. In a sense na parang hindi niya pa alam, unable to decide kung paano, sa anong paraan. Okay? Pero yung intention niya talaga is really to make you feel safe and secured, na mahal ka niya. Okay? Pinoprotektahan ka niya ng person mo, Capricorn. Okay? Okay? For some of you, this person, okay, there is something you know also from this person, your intuition, na very attractive ang inyong person, and maraming tao din ang may gusto sa kanya. Okay? But he or she is protecting you. Okay? Attractive din yung person ninyong Capricorn. And dinidefend niya ang inyong relasyon. Ikaw, pinoprotektahan ka niya. Okay? Pinapahalaga niya ikaw or ang inyong relasyon. Okay? You are safe with him or her. Okay. Yeah, you are thinking that your person is in love with another person. And that is something na stressful para sa'yo. Parang napapagod ka, no? Na nag-iisip ka, parang non-stop ang thinking mo about that. Okay, so don't be. Okay. At the end of the day, parang ikaw pa din. Okay, Capricorn? Na natin. Some hidden truth. Okay. Additional message. Okay, so just take what resonates for you, Capricorn. If they don't, leave it. Okay. Yung iba, it's the other way around. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay. Parang ikaw, yeah. It's the other way around for some of you. Yung person nyo, nag-iisip about you. Okay? Hindi ka ganun ka-expressive sa inyong nararamdaman towards him or her. Okay? For Capricorn, please. Merong we will be together again. Okay? Yeah. For some, medyo nagkalayo kayo in a while. Okay? Merong distance in terms of emotions or physical, either way. So, you will be together again. The timing just wasn't right for us. Okay? That is for some of you. I left when I saw you with someone. Okay. Just take what resonates. Capricorn. I love you. Okay. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa iyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!